Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning how to make two Nigerian soups. These soups are so yummy. We'll be learning how to make Okra soup and we'll be learning how to make Egusi soup. So if you love Okra soup, type A in the comment section. If you love Egusi soup, type B in the comment section. And if you love both of them, type A and B. If you don't love okra and egusi, then type C in the comment section. Okra soup is everything. I'm not even kidding you. Can you see how yummy it looks? This soup is highly nutritious. It's loaded with nutrients and vitamins that is beneficial to your health. These are the ingredients you require for this soup. Meat. You can use any meat of your choice, but I used beef. You also need the stock water. That is the water you used in boiling the meat. You would also need some onions, okra, some pumpkin vegetable. You also need crayfish, Kpomo. Kindly check the description box for the exact recipe, the measurement, the quantity of ingredients I used. You will need some stockfish and dry fish. Red oil. Fresh pepper. Some seasoning cubes. Salt and water. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. First, you have to heat up your saucepan and ensure that the pot is dry. Pour your red oil and heat up for about a minute. Add the onions and give it a good stir. Allow the onions to saute for about 2 minutes and pour in the meat stock. Next, add the stockfish, dry fish and Kpomo. Give it a good stir. Next, add your seasoning cubes, a little salt and fresh pepper. Make sure you don't overdo the salt and seasoning cubes because the meat stock already contains salt and seasoning cubes. Next, stir thoroughly, cover the pot and allow to cook for 8 minutes. Kindly check the description box for the exact recipe and measurement I used. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. I have a lot of lovely recipes on my channel. And please let me know in the comment section if you try out this recipe. I would love to hear from you. After 8 minutes, you can add a little water depending on how thick you want the soup to be. You can add a little water, add your beef, give it a good stir and cover the pot. Allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Can you see how beautiful it looks already? It's time to add your okra. Add your okra and do not overcook it. Cook for about 2 minutes. Next, add your pumpkin leaves and crayfish. Give it a very good stir and your soup is ready. Allow this to cook for about a minute. This is so delicious, so yummy. You need to have a taste of this. Check the description box below the recipe I used, and whenever you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. I'll be showing you exactly how I made this delicious Egusi soup. In fact, this Egusi soup has Harvard certificates. I'm just joking. We'll be needing water, dry fish, stockfish, meat broth. The recipe is in the description box below. Pumpkin leaves or pumpkin vegetables, egusi. I also use beef. Feel free to use any protein of your choice or any meat of your choice. You can also use goat's meat to also come out very nice. You also need Kpomo, red oil, onions, salt, seasoning cubes, fresh pepper, and crayfish. These are all the ingredients that we'll be using to cook this yummy Egusi soup. So let's jump right in. First, you have to heat up your pot on fire. Pour in the palm oil. Allow to heat up for about a minute before adding your onions. Allow the onions to saute in the palm oil for about 30 seconds before adding the egusi fry the egusi for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes of frying, it will look just this way. Add your meat broth and also pour in some water. Then stir it thoroughly. Add the fresh pepper, salt and seasoning cubes and also stir. The meat broth already has some ingredients like the seasoning cubes and salt. Make sure you don't add too much salt and seasoning cubes. You can always adjust after you have added all the ingredients. Pour in your stockfish and dry fish. Also pour in the Kpomo. Give it a good stir and cover the pot. Allow this to cook for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, this is what it will look like. Next, add the beef or any meat of your choice. Allow to cook together with the soup for about a minute or two before adding your crayfish and vegetables. Turn and taste for salt or seasoning. Kindly subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I share videos on food, cakes, business and lifestyle. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know if you try out this recipe and also let me know if you enjoyed this video. After adding the vegetables, allow the soup to cook for about 2 minutes before turning off the fire and your soup is ready. This is so yummy. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice.